Hi, so what I got here is the Tokit T2 massage gun. And you can see the massage gun here has a nice big case. Each of the cases have 6 attachments, and the attachments have customized areas for each one. Now let me go ahead and show you the gun. So this gun here is a 20 speed. The speed is in the back here, so you could see that there is a on-off switch at the bottom, and the switch controls the speed itself. So you could see this is the first speed, and this here is the battery level. So let me go ahead and actually turn it off first and just show you around the gun. So it has a air vent at the top, so you really do want to get the guns with an air vent in the top. So you can operate this for a good 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours depending on use. And at the top here is the vent, and the reason why the vent is important is it does generate a lot of heat. There is a charger here, so this is just your normal wall charging outlet that plugs into the bottom here, and so that's all you have to do to charge it. The charging takes about 2 hours. Now let me show you each of the attachments and the touch screen here in the back. So you do want to operate these not directly on the skin, but either through clothing or actually wrapping a sock or something around it, because these will rub against your skin, and you will have skin particles around a lot of these soft attachments here. So let me put in the most popular attachment, and so you just click it in. That's all you have to do. And when I turn it on, you could see this is the first speed, and if I turn it up, this particular one is 20 speeds and it runs at 3200 RPM. You can see how silent this is. You can see it gyrating there, and now I have it up at 4 and all the way up to 10, and I find that 1 is actually enough for me, because this is definitely a lot higher speed, which I find I at least would not necessarily prefer, but also it gets a little bit noisier at the higher speeds. Now let me just lower it back to the 1 and also show you the other attachment. So I actually powered it down, and let me go ahead and resume, just showing you around the gun. And the back is a touch screen here, as I showed. Now with these other attachments, and here's this one. Now this is another softer attachment here, so it has this rubber top, and so when you massage it, it'll push against the skin. But once again, you don't really want this against the skin. You do want to put it under clothes or in a sock or something like that, because you will have skin particles embedded in here. And the last attachment is this particular one, and as I mentioned, it comes with a very nice case, and this does in one charge last 4 to 6 hours at 20 speeds. It is pretty silent, and to recharge it, it's about 2 to 3 hours recharge time, and you could use it at around an hour intervals, because it might overheat, it might not, but just try to use it at 1 hour intervals. But that's really what I want to show, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching. This is your Tokit T2. And once again, thank you for watching.